beautifully prepared for the ICC World 2020. We've had some cricket matches here, and now the Super 8 arrives. In Group E, it's Pakistan against South Africa. Simple equation for both these teams. Both must go for the win. The loser will be on a boat or a plane home.
Both teams need to win and put the record straight. Opening batsmen Salman Butt and Kamran Akmal. Salman Butt in particular has been in great form, and we know that Kamran Akmal can be a dangerous opponent as well. He can hit the ball hard. Goes for the cut shot, finds the gap, he's off the mark with a lovely shot. It's his area, his zone. That's Upish, mid-on. Good catch, very good catch. Graham Smith had to rush back. And Salman Butt is the man that Pakistan have lost, and it's a crucial blow.
Taking a very comfortable catch. Salman Butt chatting with Kamran Akmal, but he's got to go for 2, 6 for 1.
He was waiting for this length from Jacques Kallis. He was already camped on the back foot. So first boundary for Khalid Latif. Birds. Goes big. Not really. Mid-on is in business, and another good catch. Running back, Jacques Kallis plucks another one. 2 down now, Pakistan, and struggling.
Dale Steyn with the catch this time. Again, running back. Good fielding outfit, the South African side. So the brief innings of Khalid Latif is over. He's out for 7. It's 14 for 2.
Well, that's close enough to call, and yes, another one bites the dust. Plumb, straightforward decision. Mohammad Hafiz is looking at the big screen. He wants to see the replay, but I'm sure he'll also realize that he was a dead duck the moment he went across the line to a straight one. He's gone for 1. Pakistan struggling big time now, 18 for 3.
In most places.
Wilby Fort just picks the gap perfectly at mid-wicket. Slog sweep, as they say. Angry man. Big shot again, high in the air. Fielder comes round. Has he got enough? Yes, he has. All the way 6. Played this well. Oh, and he gets 4. It was a terrific shot. The fielder out there is to patrol the bound
for mid-wicket. Goes big, goes high. Will this be taken or gone? It's a 6. Magnificent straight hit. Feet down the track this time. The other Akmal hits it for a flat 6.
Go round the wicket.
He's down the track, has lifted it. Another glorious hit for another 6. This is turning out to be a massive over for Pakistan. Cuts and brilliantly taken at point. It's Herschel Gibbs. He's a master craftsman at point. And so a bit of a come down just when Kamran Akmal was looking good and taken.
So Kamran Akmal goes for 37, 69 for 4, Pakistan.
Afridi making room and planting it over cover for 4. Great piece of timing. He's always a powerful hitter, and this should give him a lot of confidence. Being put into shape. Goes big over mid-wicket. Good strike once again. Shahid Afridi means business, I guess. Great shot. Great improvisation from Umar Akmal. Goes big. Goes for a 6. Magnificent hitting.
They really are talented, these Akmal brothers.
Afridi with a flat 6. Magnificent hitting.
Great looking shot again. He's found that gap. Steyn. Oh, no slip. Flies off for 4. The gap again, and it'll beat that man. It beats a diving Herschel Gibbs, and if it beats him, it's not a bad effort. Yes, Langerfeldt. Straight up, and it's gone miles. Absolutely rifle straight into the president's box. Cricket. He's throwing everything at it now, but this time it might be his downfall. It is. Herschel Gibbs takes the catch. He pouches it comfortably. Not the South Africans, though. Akmal's gone for 51, 130 for 5.
Really well. Bowls him! Super stuff from Charles Langerveldt. A couple of wickets in the over, a couple of big wickets. The second of which is the skipper, Shahid Afridi. They've got big hitters out. Afridi gone for 30 off 18. He played well too. It's 132 for 6.
Could be a goner. He's gone. A.B. de Villiers takes the catch. That's catching practice for someone like A.B. But that's a wicket. Another, that's a fourth for Langerveldt. Misbah ul Haq's gone for 3. Pakistan 143 for 7. 4 for 17. Cross for 1, and they'll look for a second. Van der Merwe is the fielder, and it's a second run to Razak. So innings closed. Pakistan 148 for 7. And Charles Langerveldt finishes with 4 for 19. Very well bowled in his 4 overs. Razak 11 not out, Rehman 2 not out. Pakistan 148 for 7. So 148 for 7 Pakistan. Graham Smith's South Africans need 149 to win, and their run chase will start at 7.45 runs per over.
Opening pair of Gibbs and Smith. They've got runs on the board, Pakistan, but clearly about 10-15 runs short. This is the ball. They go for the appeal. Razak is not too keen. Keeper and first slip thought there was clearly a noise, a sound. Played away nicely. Once again, leg sidage was the bowler. Has got to get it right early on, otherwise, Lauder. Oh, that's belted and brilliantly held. It's Misbah ul Haq with a stunner. Herschel Gibbs falters. This is what Pakistan needed.
First bit of the job, take your catch, and they have done. The danger man Gibbs has gone for 3. South Africa 12 for 1.
Down the track and beautifully played through the offside. He splits the gap for 4.
Find out where the ball went.
Catch it. Shahid Afridi takes an easy one. Smith is absolutely mad at himself. A soft dismissal. Pakistan from nowhere had produced another wicket. Flags are out, fans are over the moon. Graham Smith, what was he trying to do? Gone for 13 of 13. South Africa 23 for 2.
Little deft touch. Done fantastically well by Jacques Kallis. Third man was up in the circle, he knew it, and he just had to guide it, did so.
It can still be done. Hit to the man in the deep. Will it get there? Yes, it does. Umar Akmal, what a catch. The catching's improved from Pakistan.
Well, he's the best they've got, I think, Umar Akmal. He's gone for 22, it's 56 for 3.
To get past extra cover, yes it does. Man in the deep can cut it off, does with the old boot. Big shot coming, man in the deep sets himself. Will the catching continue to be good? Yes! Much needed, big shot from South Africa, doesn't pay off. Different emotions from the two benches. Duminy gone for 3, South Africa 68 for 4. Comfortably protect the boundary in the deep. Now will that go? Yes. First boundary for the best part of 9 overs. Goes for the big shot over wide mid-on. Does it go all the way? Yes, it does. It's straight. It's all the way. What a way to bring up your 50. He's pumped up de Villiers. 4.66.
Of a 2020. He's paid the price. That's not what South Africa wanted. It's the last thing in the world. A.B. de Villiers paying the price for a little bit of trickery. Often it comes off. It hasn't here in St. Lucia, and that is a crucial blow right in the heart for the South Africans. A.B.'s gone for 53 from 41. It's 101 for 5.
He can do this. Good strike, very good strike from Mark Boucher. Gets it away for 4.
Could be gone. Could be gone. The finger goes up from Billy Doctorow. And Mark Boucher, in a desperate effort to get runs on the board for South Africa, can knock the South Africans out of this tournament. Boucher's gone for 12. It's 1-1-3 for 6. Oh, that's a bit useful. Welcome to the party, Johan Botha. Here's Mohamed Amir. It's got a great shot. It's got lots on it. It's gone for 4.
Circle. So expect that. Catch will be the call. But he's not going to catch it, and it's going to go for 4. Johan Botha again.
It's got another one. So important, that boundary for South Africa. It needed it to level it up for the final over. Bowled it nicely. He's bowled it beautifully. Kamran Akmal believes he's got his man. And umpire Ian Gold has gone upstairs for a third umpire referral. Have a look here. Botha going down the pitch just by a stride. He's going to be out here. He's gone. It's going to be out. Johan Botha is gone. Is on his way back. He's gone for 19 from just 8 deliveries. Maybe he should have gone in earlier into the semis. It's all over. It's all over. Pakistan have beaten South Africa here at St. Lucia. Shahid Afridi's young side still not out of the tournament. It all depends on England, New Zealand. If England beat New Zealand, Pakistan will stay in the tournament.